back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing another porterroad cook using porterroad's beef sliced uncured bacon. I want to thank porterroad for sponsoring this video. Right here we just have our groceries for today. We have some Old Bay seasoning. We have some mustard powder. Thank you, Russ Jones of Smoky Ribs. And we have some pickling seasoning. We had a head of broccoli that I cut up into small pieces. The only thing else we're going to have is the porterroad's beef bacon here that we'll be cutting in half, each slice into half, and wrapping the broccoli and shrimp in like a bite-sized bite so that it can be cooked up on the Bayou Classic Kamado Joe style cooker. We'll bring you back. So in this pot I already have apple cider vinegar. We're just putting some Old Bay in there. You put enough in there, so if you think you got enough, add a little more. Probably about 2 teaspoons of mustard powder and about a tablespoon and a half of pickling seasoning. We're going to season or steam up the shrimp, but not cook them all the way. Then we're going to remove the shrimp, put the shrimp tails, because these are pre-peeled and deveined already, but the tail shells are still in there. We're going to put them back in the water just to keep the seasoning in the water. And then we're going to add our broccoli pieces into the water just to sort of lightly blanch the broccoli to get that that shrimp seasoning taste on the broccoli, along with the pickling seasoning and the shrimp. We're only going to par cook the shrimp because it's going to be wrapped and put on a smoker, so it'll finish smoking at that point. I did have to take the broccoli out after steaming it and wrench it down some because the pickling spice was pretty strong, so we just wrenched it off some. It was perfectly fine, tasted great. All right, that's about as far as I'm going to take these. Like I say, we're going to put them on the ceramic cooker just yet, so I'm not going to cook them all the way. I got a little bit further than I want to. My daughter just sent me a picture, a little movie rather, of my granddaughter pitching softball today. So I got tied up and watching that, but we'll bring you back here shortly. All right. So we finished peeling the shrimp. It was just the tails. They're already deveined and peeled, but they leave the tails on them. So all I did was get the pickling seasoning that stuck to the shrimp back into the pot. And we're going to turn this back on now. And turn the temperature down. And we got the shrimp tails back in there just to keep the seasoning in the water. Got the pickling spice in there. Now all I'm going to do is just add this broccoli into there. Give it a little quick blanch. And we shall bring you back. Alright, just like the shrimp, I really don't want the broccoli to cook all the way. I just want them to brighten up a little bit. Take some of that pickling seasoning and that Old Bay into them. Alright, we got one of them down. We got to practice running it before I turn on the camera here. So I'm basically just running half a slice of bacon. I am checking the broccoli to make sure that there's none of that extra pickle season on there, because if you don't like pickling season, you're going to know you got a bite of it. So I'm just laying a piece of broccoli down, a piece of shrimp, a piece of shrimp, and a half a slice of this porterroad beef bacon. I'm going to pull it over top, stick some toothpicks in it to hold it all together, and there you have it. Alright, we got them all seasoned up with the Old Bay. I didn't film the whole thing because I'm sure y'all have seen people shake Old Bay on things before, but we're about ready. We're going to get them on the smoker. Alright, we're getting ready to put them on the Bayou Classic Kamado style ceramic egg. I do have my diffuser in there. I am burning B&B lump charcoal. This is all new, so I have no idea how this is going to work. Well, I par cooked the shrimp and the broccoli because I wasn't quite sure. This is the only second time I even used this beef bacon. It does cook a little, take a little longer to cook. So hopefully I'm going to be all right. All right, what we have here is some a little more than mild horseradish cheddar cheese. I'm going to grate this up and put them broccoli, shrimp, beef bacon wrapped bites, appetizers, hors d'oeuvres even, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to top it with some of this shredded cheese. All right, so I'm just going to take these out, put them in the full pan right here. All right, we got them all in the pan. And all we're going to do at this point is just sprinkle some of this horseradish cheddar cheese on the top of them. All right, back on the egg. We're going to close the top, get that cheese to melt. All right, there they are. We're going to let these cool off a little bit, and we'll come back for a taste test. All right, I had 2 guinea pigs. They're still standing, so it's my turn. Here we have porterroad beef bacon, uncured. On the top, we have a shredded horseradish cheddar cheese. The bacon is wrapped around broccoli and shrimp, but I'm going to shut up and I'm going to try this thing because I'm the last one in line and they're all saying it tastes good and I can't wait to try it. Definitely have a crunch from the beef bacon. If you haven't gotten this beef bacon from Porterroad yet, I have no idea what you're waiting for. Unfortunately, this is the last of it for me in the pack that I had, but this is really good. Dang, that's good. So if you want to know what to make for appetizers during a football game and you want something different, that's it right there, my friends. Well, I tell you what, them Porterroad beef bacon appetizers, they are excellent. I mean excellent. It was a sad day when I ate the last one because I knew there wasn't no more of that beef bacon, but I'm telling you what, you owe it to yourself. You only live once. That Porterroad beef bacon is some great stuff. I enjoyed it immensely. I can't wait to get my hands on some more of it. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue, St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.